Welcome on my presentation in the third Borobudur International Symposium on Science and Technology. My title is For Pressure Prediction as the Anticipation of Abnormal Pressure in the Well X and Y. My outline, first the author entity, second background to the problem, third results, research for conclusion, and then reference. Introduce myself, my name is Bambang Yudo Suranto. I am lecturer in Polytechnic Energy dan Mineral Akamigas, especially in drilling engineer. I am a degree in petroleum engineering. My experience as a well-said manager or drilling supervisor, the commonly named company man at PT Caltech Pacific Indonesia, PetroChina, Kimia Farma, and Pertamina. So, my experience as an assessor at LSP PPT Migas as a drilling, workover, and well service, mud engineers, and International Association Drilling Contractor Well Control. Background to the problems. Success in drilling is important thing in oil and gas industry, especially to add new wells to fulfill the increasing demand for oil and gas. Many factors are affected to reach successful drilling operation. One of them is predicting the correct pore pressure and fracture pressure. However, there is an anomaly in pore pressure. It is called as an overpressure. Overpressure zones occur when the fluid is trapped and it can get out from the formation due to seal layer that caused by loading and unloading mechanism. A problem formulation: how to predict pore pressure and fracture pressure? What is parameter that effective in pore pressure and fracture pressure prediction? And the last, what cause overpressure appear in drilling formation? Scope of research: the exponent method by mud logging, Eaton method by petrophysics logging. The exponent method by mud and petrophysics. Subsurface pressure you see and the type of pressure mechanism on Earth. Overpressure, pressure, the violet colors, and the pressure between hydrostatic pressure and overburden pressure. Abnormal pressure over the hydrostatic pressure. If under hydrostatic pressure, called under pressure. Overpressure mechanism, under compaction, and tectonic loading, unloading, fluid expansion, and diakinesis cells. Drilling window, so you can see the graphs, correlation of pore pressure, drilling window, and fracture pressure. Overburden pressure, left of the MPD, managed pressure drilling, and underbala drilling, and the left underbala drilling. I'm sorry, overburden drilling, the right of MPD. Research flow chart, first start and then continue data collection. Data collection depend on well data, lithology formation, drilling event, mud log, and petrophysics. And then pre-processing data, continue to overburden pressure calculation, and then pore pressure calculation by the exponent method and Eaton sonic log method. Continue to calculation of fracture pressure, minimum method pressure, and Eaton method. And then analysis of overpressure mechanism. If okay, finish. If not okay, yeah, continue, yeah. Continue to overburden pressure, recalculation by overburden pressure calculation, and then pore pressure calculation, conclusion of factor pressure, and then analysis of pressure mechanism, and finish. For casing 13 feet by 8 inch, the layer L top formation 93.74, layer L3 147.66, L4 169.83, layer L5 316.41, and layer L6 382.74 meter. This is a graph of KR, gamma error, and Fickley. So L1, L2, L3, and L4. The exponent plot for casing 1330 by 8 inch. This is for pressure PPG record by depth, and then this is a gamma ray record, resistivity record, and resistivity records. This is a figure for casing 9.5 by 8 inch and liner 7 inch. Fickley, resistivity, and sonic depend on depths. This is casing design for 958 resistive models, sonic models, and for pressure gradient and fracture pressure gradient. For liner design 7 inch for pressure plot and TVD front level. So look over breakdown pressure, the bolts blacks, and then for pressure in the blue one, and for pressure sonic red one, and fracture pressure violet one colors, and fracture pressure and the green lines, and then mud bed pressure the bolts blue. This is TT microsecond per feet and density gram per cc for casing design 958 and liner 7. Conclusions. The pore pressure zone can be known through the NCT normal convection trend line, proved from the sonic log and resistivity log by taking the basis that curve can identify the NCT line in its a normal convection and its transition zones. Second, in the well X, there is an overpressure zone at the depth of 150 to 220 meter and 300 to 400 meter. And the cause of the formation of overpressure is due to loading mechanism. This can be seen from the T-exponent curve with shift from the normal trend. The cell density shows a greater change with increasing depths, but when entering the overpressure zone, the cell density does not change. This shows that the density is constant and the fluid inside the rock is still stored with the same capacity. The cell porosity shows that the depth increase. The value of the cell porosity decrease, and when the overpressure zone, the porosity value become constant, which indicates that is the overpressure zone, there is no fluid coming out of the formation. This reference, and thank you.